There are a few pipes here that I'm going to remove first. It makes it easier to get at the diesel filter. We want to start at the filter itself by disconnecting this wire here. I'm going to use this close hanger wire that I've already made up for removing an ignition coil. Just put the hook area down behind the connector. Feel around behind until you get it connected into the little catch at the back of the connection. Then pull back and up. This is the connector you're trying to hook into. You can use any wire really, just bend it into a hook shape. Next, release the top pipe by squeezing the sides of its connector together and pushing it backwards. To release the actual filter itself from its housing, push this little lever and that should allow it to slide upwards. So slide it upwards, then swivel it backwards. This will allow access to the last pipe. Feel around underneath until you feel the connectors, and just like the one on the top, squeeze the connectors together and push it to the right hand side. And that should release the filter. This electronics part with both the wire connector and the tube connector has to be taken off the old filter and put onto the new filter. There seems to be only one rubber O-ring replacement with the new filter. It may have just fallen out of the box. Some of the connections on the new filter are slightly different than the old filter, but they seem to fit together okay. Now it's a reversal of the process for putting it back in.